Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this video, we will learn about another electronic component whose name is capacitor. Capacitor is an electronic component that is used as a charge storage device. Basically, it holds the electric charge when we apply a voltage across it, and it gives up the stored charge to a circuit as when required. Capacitor is a polar component as LED. It is having a positive and negative terminal. It is also having one leg bigger and one leg smaller. Bigger leg is positive and small leg is negative. But in some capacitor, it is possible that the two legs may be of same size. Then what we will do, we will turn the capacitor and just find this kind of minus sign on the capacitor. See, in this capacitor, this is the minus sign. In this capacitor, you will find this side is a minus. See, other side is, you will not find anything else, negative. And in this capacitor also there is a minus line. See, a minus is here. Okay, so this side will be a minus where the symbol is there. Now what is the unit of capacitor? Capacitor is measured in terms of farad or microfarad. So if you see the capacitor, you will find its values written on the capacitor. It is of 10 volt 1000 microfarad, and this is of 25 volt 100 microfarad. See, similarly this is of 10 microfarad. So different microfarad means different capacitors are having different capacity of storing the charge. Now let's take one capacitor and see how it stores the charge and how it just release the charge. For that we need a multimeter. I have set it to the 20 volt. As you can see, I am going to set it on a 20 volt. Okay. Now we'll check the terminals of capacitor. As I told you, bigger is positive, so we'll have to attach the bigger to the red probe. See, it is showing some value because it is having a small amount of charge present in it. Now let's charge the capacitor by using our 9 volt battery and see what is happening. For that we need a breadboard. Now I have arranged the breadboard in a manner that positive, I have given a positive terminal to the breadboard and negative to the breadboard. Now what I will do, I will just insert the positive leg of the LED to the positive side of the breadboard and negative to the negative of the breadboard, like this. As you insert the capacitor, you will see it is charging. See, 9.69. Now capacitor is fully charged. Now remove the capacitor. Okay, within few seconds it will be fully charged. Okay, and once it will be fully charged, it will block the current. Like after charging it to a fullest level, it will not allow the current to flow from one side to another. It is now fully charged. Now I'll show you how it will be discharged. So keep the capacitor like this. Take an LED, positive and negative. What I am going to do, this is the positive and negative. What I am going to do, I am going to insert a resistor also, because my LED may get fused if it will get a 9 volt instant supply. See, as you can see, as I have touched the resistor, my LED get discharged. Like because of this capacitor, this got the current and my LED is showing the value. Now again, if I will remove this attachments, these components, and again I'll check with this multimeter the value of the capacitance, it will not show that value. It is very less, showing the minus sign because I have just reversed the props. Okay students, now let's see what will happen once the capacitor is fully charged. For that we have to arrange the capacitor in a series manner. Now I am going to attach first an resistor Yeah, first just take this capacitor positive to this side. Okay, now I'm going to add a resistor. Now I'm going to put my LED positive to this side. Now series combination is there. I'm using this capacitor just to seek it till the time the capacitor is charging, my LED is glowing, and once it will be completely charged, my LED should not glow because it will block the DC. Now I need one more wire and I'm going to put it from the negative terminal to the negative of the, I just removing this wire, this is of no use, from this negative terminal to negative. See, LED gets fused like it is. Now it is not glowing. Why? Because once this capacitor is fully charged, it will not allow the current to pass through it. But if I remove the capacitor and glow my LED directly, you will find that my LED is glowing. Let me show you. I'm going to add it to the directly to the circuit. See, my LED is glowing. My LED is glowing. But if the capacitor is fully charged, my LED will not glow. So what we can say that capacitor also blocks the DC current. Means if the capacitor is fully charged, as I have shown you, it will not allow the current to pass through it. Okay. But if we discharge the capacitor, for discharging capacitor, we will have to directly put it from here to here. See, this is the positive terminal. I'm going to keep it here and going to add the negative to here. See, LED get fused, not fused. It is not fused. It is because of effect of this resistor. Okay, now this, got it. Now again take a quick view. See, my negative terminal I have inserted, capacitor will instantly charged. As the current will pass through the battery to it, it will be instantly charged. So just take a careful look on it. This is the positive side. I am going to put it here and negative here. As soon as I put it here, you will see it means my capacitor get charged and it will not allow further direct current to pass through this LED. Okay, so capacitor is used as a DC blockage also. I hope you understood how to use the capacitor in a circuit and what is the function of capacitor in a circuit by this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.